Okay, folks, we're going to be doing number 64 and 65 of the Ectomobile issue number 18. Yeah, I got something to tell you about stage 64. Dawn camera wasn't recording, so I'm going to go through it. We installed the control boxes on each side. This one just went flush. Secured it with 2 AP screws. The other control box on the other side, I got 2 pins that it went down in. Secured it at the bottom with 2 AP screws. And then we installed these rails. You want to make sure that the outside rails facing away from you, the inside rails are facing towards you on the right side. And just the opposite. It's the same thing, the outside rails are facing away from you, the inside railing is facing towards you. Securing these with OP screws. You want to make sure the screws are flush. You screw them down, and that was all there was to do. Stage 64. We're going to be, well, getting into some wiring. Yeah, number 65. Okay, folks, very gently get your control box. Do not, and I repeat, do not overscrew these screws. They're telling us to get the interior piece, which is this piece. JP screws. 13 JP screws. Let me show you. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's 2 of them right here that you have to look for. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 10, 11, 12, and 13. And you talk about a fight at the OK Corral to get those things in. Oh, yay. Sorry about that. The camera's got switched. I gotta start learning to slow it down. Okay, now we got a wheel fixed. That really bothered me. Thank God I had the other part. Now I wound it up with the wheel. You got to be careful. I think I might have broken when I flipped it over. You got to be very gentle with these things. But how I wound it up with another wheel of those. When I first got into the build, if you watch way back when, they charged me for 2 issues ones. Yeah, believe that. I can. Now, right here, where we're going to take this little bitty rod here, and we're going to just kind of like tidy up all those there. Yeah, just go in the back. I don't care which way you go. We're going to go and tidy up these screws, but I'm going to put these things in here. Let's tidy up as tidy as I'm going to get. Okay. Now, they're all labeled. They're all labeled. I'm going to find their matching wires. H, E, F, because it says to kind of tighten them up in there, but I'm not going to put this piece in until I got all these wires all arranged, because I didn't do that afterwards. So we're going to play matchup right now. U, B, P, save that part, G. Saw a G. Y'all saw a G? Yep, there's G. Got it adjusted. So here we got the wires from the car. I'm going to say it like that. And we got our power mod. I'm not going to group the power mod wires into the same wires with the car. There are 2 holes, 1 and 2, that we're going to bundle these wires up, and we're going to bring them nicely and peacefully over here where they rest. I'm trying to just show you on the camera because my hands are going to get in the way. But there's 2 holes, 1 and 2. There's this little wire holder. Okay. Now, we got to secure those with 2 IP screws. Okay, that concludes this build of stage 64 and 65 of issue 18 of Build the Ecto. Hey, if you like what you saw, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the notification button, for more of my builds. Until next time,
May the good news be yours.